This is Chris with Allstate's Home Improvement. We're here in Bel Aire, Kansas at the Foster residence. We're at a window replacement project. We want to share with you a little bit about what we're doing here. Come on in, take a look. Here we are in front of one of their existing windows, and they contacted our company because they're having some problems with these existing windows. They had an immense amount of heat traveling in the summertime, made the house very, very warm. Air conditioner ran quite a bit. Also a lot of drafts in the wintertime, a lot of cold air traveling inside the house, making it very uncomfortable. And they weren't very easy to open either. So when they tried to open them, they didn't stay open, or some of them wouldn't even open at all. So they contacted us looking for solutions of really what could we do to take care of these windows. And so I just want to share with you kind of the problems they were having with them. So we removed the old window and we've installed our new window. And just want to show you some things that we find that are very common when we take the old windows out. We've got some dry rot down here on some of the plywood and on the siding here. So that window's been leaking slowly over a period of time, causing some damage. We're not quite sure how far it goes down into here, but we'll get into that after a while. But just want to share with you kind of the process, and we've got this window installed and the old one taken out. So step by step here. Once the window's installed, we're going to apply some minimal expanding foam around this window. This foam's going to seal off any unwanted air and moisture from traveling around this window. It's really, really important that we seal this off, create a very airtight, watertight seal around the window. Another one of their goals they wanted to accomplish was they wanted to change the design and shape of several of these windows throughout the house that have these designs on the top. So we end up squaring these windows off on these two here. And then we're also completely changing the shape of this window. We're going to make it one big rectangle with a solid transom on the top. So we're going to make this window look really modern and up to today's standards. So it's going to look beautiful when it's over. Hey, we're all finished up out here on our window project. Just want to go over a couple of things with you. The trim, everything's all finished and everything's painted now and just looks absolutely fantastic. This trim that we installed is a James Hardie fiber cement, like I mentioned earlier. It's extremely durable, will not rot, durable against the Kansas weather, the hail and all the wind and the rain and everything. Really believe this trim will just last forever. Anyway, all this looks really, really good, sealed up nice and tight, keeping the water out. And the customer is just extremely thrilled with everything. So I want to show you some things over here on this window unit, if we can. So this unit here was a different configuration before. They had different shaped windows and they really wanted to open this up. And as you can see, it just looks fantastic outside and inside. With what we had to do on this window unit, there was a little drywall repair that had to be done, and all that's finished up and all the painting's done. But it just really transformed the look of the exterior of this home, and they're just really thrilled with the overall look, and it just changed the whole feel and look inside the house. So just very happy with everything, but it just looks fantastic.